asked her multiple times to get out of the vehicle, because when I asked her, sorry, hold on. When I asked if there were any weapons in the vehicle, she said that she didn't have to tell me. And finally, after asking her multiple times, she said, no, there's no weapons in the vehicle. I then asked her, okay, well, do you mind stepping out? That way I know, you know, for my safety, your safety, everything's okay. And then she refused to get out of the vehicle when I asked her multiple times. It took 4 other officers to ask her verbally. We didn't have to physically remove her. As I'm patting her down, seeing if she, like, you know, stuffed anything anywhere in her bra, she said that I was not doing a pat down, that I was illegally searching her. So I was gonna see if that's enough for interference.
Give me a second, I'm gonna look at something.
Okay.
Okay, here's where you're at. I'm with you. Technically, yes, you have the violation if you want to file it. However, there are some problems that will make you look terribly bad if you have to defend this case in court. The first one is the statute that I wanted to look at is that bicycles and motorcycle racks attached to a vehicle in normal and customary manner cannot be used as a basis for obstructing a license plate. It's actually spelled out in the statute. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2, it sounds like she has a valid point about the search in saying that you patting her bra is not a pat down, it's a search. So the long and the short of it is, I would not do it, but if y'all really want to bite off that fight, yes, we'll file it.
No, I mean, I'm going to go with obviously what you say, because I'm calling you to get your opinion on it. I was under the impression that if we weren't able to see a plate in the back at all, then it was obscured.
Well, I read you the exact language, and so you can see how you think it applies to your exact facts, because you're looking at your situation live. I'm not.
Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah, I mean, I physically can't see the plate, so, like, I legit had to go under the bikes as I'm pulling over the vehicle to see the plate. So
I'm giving you my assistance, so yeah, whichever way you want to go, it's fine with me.
Okay. All right, thank you so much.
Thanks. Yeah.
All right, bye. That's there, you can disregard.
Were you wanting to speak with the sergeant, or?
You have any questions? Nothing. All right, well, the sergeant's right here if you want to speak to him. If not, you're more than welcome to go on about your day.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for me, for him? No? Okay.
After talking to the DA, the deputy allowed the driver to leave without further incident. Very little information is available about this encounter, and it's unknown if the driver filed a complaint or intends to pursue legal action. Overall, the deputy gets an F for maintaining a rude and unprofessional demeanor throughout the encounter, demonstrating a fundamental misunderstanding of both Texas traffic laws and the Constitution, and repeatedly violating the driver's Fourth Amendment rights. While the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutionality of traffic stops based on so-called reasonable mistakes of law, in this instance, the statute explicitly stated that it did not apply to bike racks, showing that the deputy was simply ignorant of the provisions of the statute that she was attempting to enforce.